So hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to create nice logo, PNG, in format PNG for your, for example, business. So open your Texworks editor and please, we will write a document class standalone with text and border 15 pt, and the only one package which I'm using is package TikZ. If you start your document, you begin with this picture and you need only 4 lines of code, and you can be capable of generating these nice logos. So I'm using 2 colors, yellow and orange, and my text is my LaTeX skills and my 2024. After, please open your Bash editor, git bash, and with only 2 lines of code you can generate nice you can compile your text document to PDF and to PNG. So how to compile LaTeX to PDF? You will write this line of code. I mean, this text figure point tag is how you name your editor, how it's name of your editor, and after you can convert it with Bash to PNG with these lines of code. If you write PDF top PM, your PDF document to text figure PNG, and you are finished. So at the end, you have a nice PNG logo. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.